Hey, here's my opinion on basic valuation versus full valuation coverage. We almost never hit somebody with the 60 cents per pound when we make a mistake out in the field because we always want to just like go above and beyond, make that person feel great. Now, if somebody's trying to take advantage of you, a little different, but more times than not, if you're a really great, high quality, value driven company, you don't have that every week, okay? You might have little, small damages. The key to this is you have to sell valuation coverage. At Big Lake Moving, we sell about 25% of all of our jobs by some level of extended valuation. And you have to price your valuation coverage packages so that way it's priced to sell, because you need to build that little cash bucket to be able to fire extinguish some of these claims. But you really should be able to profit on it and X out all of your claims. And so if you're pinning people with 60 cents per pound, I don't think that you're going to build the renowned reputation locally to dominate. And you're just going to put yourself in a lot of stressful situations because customers don't want to hear that. People don't care about that whole 60 cents per pound. They hired you as a professional moving company. You said you were going to move them and make it stress-free, that you weren't going to have any hardships for them. Okay, let's call it. We didn't say that we're going to be perfect. And your job is to fulfill that. So, to come back to a customer after your team made a mistake and be like, well, you didn't buy valuation coverage, so, you get $22. Good luck. We just dealt with a claim on a custom lantern piece, a ceramic piece, is retailed about $550. It's custom made by the artist. A little lid on it broke, chipped. We figured it out. We were able to get in touch with the artist, the pottery company, and we were able to get them to fire just the lid rather than it be a $550 expense. It's about a $210 expense all in. And you know what? That customer, they left a 5-star review, and the very next day they referred us a job that was $3,000 value job. So it's like, what kind of business are you running? Do you want to build a business that's evergreen and people always want to keep referring? Or you want to build a business that's transactional and I made the money today, saved the money today, but I didn't make it next month, the month after, and the month after, and the year after. So decide what kind of business you want to run. That's my opinion on basic valuation versus full valuation coverage.